and welcome back to Marnel's channel. Ngayong araw na ito, gagawa tayo ng Hotdog Roll! But before we start, please subscribe and hit notification bell for more useful videos. Enjoy watching! For our ingredients, 2 large eggs, 1/2 kilo regular hotdog, cheese, breadcrumbs, loaf bread, and 350 ml oil. Our procedure, tanggalin po natin yung matigas na bahagi ng ating tinapay. Tips, piliin nyo yung bagong tinapay para hindi kayo mahirapan sa pag-cut and pag-flatten later. Ngayon naman po, ipa-flatten natin yung ating tinapay using rolling pin. Kung wala naman po kayong rolling pin, pwede naman po yung baso ang gamitin nyo or di kaya paddle. But, mag-ingat lang po sa paggamit, baka mabasag. Cut po natin yung cheese, katamtaman lang ang nipis. Huwag naman po masyadong manipis na hindi kayo mahirapan. Let's continue. Sa ating flattened bread, maglagay tayo ng isang strips ng cheese, then hotdog, balutin natin, then wipe it with our beaten eggs. Dip into the beaten egg and dredge in breadcrumbs. Cook it in a low heat fire until it looks golden brown. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe.